What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Mike Basshead here, if you guys don't know.
At me.
I like it. Think about hitting that subscribe button. But for my subscribers, found this is a old school Cerwin Vega 15-inch woofer, and I figured some of you old sky guys would appreciate this thing, so I figured I'd show it off. Has, where are they at? Nice terminals on it. Pretty decent magnet. Here's the serial number upside down. Let me flip this thing around for you. Ooh, she's got some weight to her. Cerwin Vega, 1000 watts max, 4 ohms, made in the USA. So, for a true video, I'm gonna hook this thing up and kind of bump it a little bit here off the Pioneer receiver. Nothing crazy, just a couple 100 watts. Spider's pretty worn in and whatnot, but I'm sure you guys like to see it. So let me get it hooked up and I'll turn you guys back on. Stay tuned. Alright guys, here goes some flexing. Try a different song. There we go. Wow. That's crazy. She's moving, man. Wow. That's like 3/4 an inch of an excursion. Alright. Let me pause that, and I'm going to do that in about 120 frames. Woo, 120 frames. Alright guys, if you've watched that video to the end, just want to show you some random car audio that I got. Got a Alpine V-Power 4-channel Heinz amp. I got 2 Pioneer double dins here. Got a crap ton of single dins. Sony, Alpine, Pioneer, dual Bluetooth. Over here, another good Pioneer double din. Got some power acoustic 6.5s with the bullets in the middle. Some Infinity 6x9s. I got the pair of 6.5s. Here's a Scar ZVX8. And here's 4 Alpine Type S 6.5s. These are actually for sale. So I just figured I'd show some of this at the end, so you guys can kind of see it. Maybe if you're thinking about buying it or whatever. But if you guys like these videos, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you run any particular product you see here, and let me know what you think of it. So stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a good